Limited is a leading manufacturer of various types of filters, located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, China. Our company specializes in the development and production of air filters, oil filters, fuel filters, hydraulic filters, and more. Our high-quality filters are widely used in outdoor equipment, automobiles, engineering machinery, and other fields. We serve both OEMs and aftermarket with competitive price and exceptional customer service. Our factory has advanced production equipment and implements strict quality control procedures to ensure that our products meet international standards. As a vigorous exporter, we have established long-term cooperation with customers in America, Europe, Asia, and other regions. We are dedicated to working closely with customers both at home and abroad to create prosperous future together. Warmly welcome you to contact us to learn more about our products and services.